Hey guys, thanks for joining us again today. We're out here in Cane Island. My name is Doug Fraser. I'm the owner of Fraser First Class, and I'm here with Mike from Jandy. He's my rep, and we're going to run through, why we use some of the equipment we use, and he's got a better insight into it. And go ahead, man.
Perfect.
Take it away.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll start off with our Jandy Flow Pro pump. This one right here is our water feature pump. And this pushes all the water to every water feature, like your shear descents, your rock waterfall, your bubblers. And one of the things about all the Jandy variable speed pumps is it allows you to control the RPMs. And this allows you to get the most water flow possible while using the least amount of energy. And that's so important nowadays for keeping our energy costs as low as possible. So from the Flow Pro, we'll go up to our E-Pump right here. The big thing about the E-Pump is the extra large basket. This basket can handle a massive amount of debris, which is so important for hydraulic efficiency. The more debris you get in there, the less water flow you have to your pool. So we want to keep that water flow up as much as possible while still, again, maximizing energy efficiency. So this is our filtration pump. This will push water into our CV580 cartridge filter. So this big boy right here holds 4 cartridges, so it maximizes time in between your cleanings. A couple nice features about our filter is these handles on the top. So for cleaning, it gives you something to grab onto to pull that top off. We have a pressure gauge up here, which shows you when it's time to clean the filter. And then a really nice feature that I love is this drain cap at the bottom. So we have the largest drain cap in the industry, and it allows you to basically flush all the debris out of that filter when you clean it out. So you end up with a perfectly clean filter at the end of the job. From the filter, we have our VersaPlumb right into the heater, which you'll notice the sweeps instead of a traditional 90 or even a 45. This sweep right here uses less hydraulic head than a normal 90. So you, again, maximizing efficiency of hydraulics. So we can run that variable speed pump at the lowest possible RPM using the least amount of energy while still giving your pool the circulation that it needs. This JXI heater is 400,000 BTUs of power. So it's going to maximize the energy and heat going into that spa. Typical spas, 30 minutes, 45 minutes to heat up to 104 degrees. So right here, this is the CMP Power Clean. This is a variable speed tablet feeder. And this is where you would put your chlorine tablets in so you can provide sanitation to your pool water. This is made exclusively for variable speed pumps. So it's very important to make sure if you're running your pump as a variable speed that you have a specific chlorinator that goes with that pump. And down here, you'll see this guy. This is the Jandy TrueGuard. This is a mineral system, and it adds copper and silver in very small amounts to the water. This allows you to keep your chlorine level as low as possible, much lower than a traditional pool without a mineral system. And this will basically keep algae away from the pool water more than standard systems. And again, minimizing that chlorine that's in the water, which is better for your skin. And obviously with the cost of chlorine as they are today, using as minimal or as little as possible is very important. The last thing that I'll go over here is you'll see with our Jandy Aqualink system, which is our can right here. This is our computer, the brain that controls the entire pool pad. This is how we tell our variable speed pumps, what speed to turn on, what times to turn on. And then another very important one is, hey, if I'm coming home from work and I want to heat that spa up, I can get on my phone, go to the iAqualink app, turn my spa on, and our Jandy valve actuators will turn for you. We can turn that heater on and get that spa up to 104 by the time you're home from work. So that is the Jandy pool pad. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.
All right, Mike, thank you so much for coming out, taking time out of your day to inform everybody why we use this stuff.
Absolutely.
Thanks, guys. We'll catch you on the next video.
Thank you. Take care.